So say let me tie this simple head wrap, a very simple one. The gilly is 3 layers and the hand is divided into 30-70. Yes, the short hand is the one that comes to the front first. So you just have little pleats, then make it, how will I call the angle, as it is in the video sha. It's not a round front, so we are making the center to be a style. So after the pleats, you bring the short hand back to the front, pin it down so that it will not be shaking, to stay in one place. Assuming you are tying it in another person's head now, the person will hold it, or you use the pin to hold it. In this case, yes, you plait and pleat. So after plaiting the short hand, you pin it down, pin it, then dress the plaiting very well. Make sure that everything is in order. Arrange it and pin it down. So after that, we bring back the long hand. You adjust it very well, make sure it's in place, then you start pleating. Now we are pleating round. You know, we pleated the other one halfway. This one we are pleating round. Watch and enjoy. Subscribe to my channel, Creativity Hub. Yeah, Creativity Hub on Facebook, then on YouTube, Creativity Hub 01. Do subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and follow me on Facebook. So we are still on this round gilly. This time around we are pleating round. Just follow this step. Enjoy the video. Pick your pleating accordingly, then take it step by step, one after the other, so that the pleating will be very neat. It will not be scattered. So as you pleat, you dress, you pleat, you dress. So that is it. It's very simple. Or is it not simple? If you are going to be trying this style in your next occasion, let me know in the comments.